Hi, beautiful people. It's been a while. I know. I am so excited to be back here with you on this channel. I know you guys might be wondering what's happening. I'm fine. So much has happened while I was away. I had a baby. Yay! That's my second baby, a baby girl. And it's been such a blessing. But also a whole journey adjusting to motherhood, running my business, and going through postpartum. Honestly, I needed that break for myself and my family. But now I am feeling refreshed and ready to reconnect with you. My name is Oluwabumi, but you can call me Be Natural because we're in Be Natural space. So this is Be Natural space. So from now on, this channel is going to be all about teaching you how to style and manage your children's hair. I'll be sharing easy routine, protective styles, product tips, yes, and everything in between help to help you make that airtime stress-free and fun. And also, I will throw in some other style content, like other hairstyle content too, because I know you guys love that as well. Although I've been posting on my shorts, but I haven't done a long video. It's been a while though. It's a safe place for mom, dads, aunties, uncles, and anyone who wants to learn and show love through hair care. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for new ideas, I got you covered. I got you covered. If you are excited to join me on this channel, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. I got some amazing lined up content. I can't wait to share it at all with you. I cannot wait to share it. Thank you for sticking with me. I appreciate you more than you know. Let's get back to doing what we love. Your baby girl is back in the building. Don't forget, my name is Oluwabumi. You can call me Be Natural. See you in my next video. And don't forget to comment in the comment section. I'm waiting for you down below. I'm waiting for you. Thank you. Bye.